as we have already been through what is indicative present tense, le présent dans l'indicatif, and also we have been through ER group of verb, which is known as the first group of verb in French language. We have been through some exceptions. Now in this video, we are going to learn IR group of verb, which is known as second group of verb. So guys, it is same the way we have ending for ER group. In the same way, we have some different endings, right? If any verb is ending with IR, we say it's the second group of verb, and as per its ending, we have different endings with different person. It means subject pronouns. Video for the subject pronouns I have already uploaded in the playlist. You can go through the same. Now guys, as we have to do here IR group of verb, so let me tell you, if you found any verb which is ending with IR, so you must understand this is the second group of verb, and first of all you will cut IR and you will get the remaining part. In this sentence, in this verb, it is fa. Now what you will do, with je you will add is, with je you will add is. Let me highlight it for you. Then with you will add again is. With il, you will add it, right? It. With nous you will add issons. With nous you will add issons, right? With vous you will add issez. With vous you will add issez. With elle you will add issent, right? Now let me show you how do we actually put the verb. So for example, you cut the first group of verb here. Now what you will do, as per the ending, we will put it here. We will put it with the subject pronoun, right? So with, you can see je finis, and again here tu finis, elles ont fini. Then the fourth one is here nous finissons. Always remember, double s will give one s pronunciation in French language in most of the cases, right? Then here vous finissez, and the last one here elles finissent. Fine, you can repeat after me. Je finis, tu finis, elles ont fini, nous finissons, vous finissez, elles finissent. Fine. Pay attention to the pronunciation of first three and here this vous form, because most of the people, they are missing here only. Now let me take you through some exceptions here. So some verbs like ouvrir, to open, and offrir conjugate like regular er verbs, even though they are end in ir. So there are exceptions as well, right? So you can, for exceptions, you need to keep in mind and you need to do some proper practice. For example, j'ouvre, I open, instead of je ouvris, right? So you can see more, it's following the er group of verb rule. Now, so this part of the lesson ends here, and in the next video I will be telling you what is the third group of verb and how do we conjugate the verb in this part. Apart from this, I will also take you through some exceptions, I mean irregular verbs. These are actually helping verbs, very important for you. So again guys, you can have a look. If you want to enroll yourself for any French language learning courses, you can see here and get yourself registered if interested. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.